is me, Aryan Saxena, talking about Doctor's Day. The presence of the doctor is the beginning of the cure. A special day is thence observed every year on 1st July as Doctor's Day. The objective is to acknowledge the contribution of doctors' humane service to mankind. The first Doctor's Day was celebrated in India in the year 1991. July 1st happens to be the birth and death anniversary of the most famous physician of India, Dr. Bidan Chandra. It is hence a tribute to his contributions to the health domain in the country. Without a doubt, doctors have been a boon to mankind amidst this pandemic. They are the panacea, rescuing us from the COVID. The COVID 19 has been hard on doctors as well because even they lost their close family members to the virus. It is time to recognize the importance of doctors. They are certainly contributing to the society while we are self isolating. It is the doctors who are constantly fighting to the lives of the people who have been infected with the deadly virus. Doctors' Day celebration is truly an attempt to accentuate their importance and to show our gratitude by commemorating one of their greatest personalities.
Myself, Mahek Agrawal. I study in class 9, BEHS Sumati Academy, Chhatarpur. Today I am here to deliver a short speech of Dr. Day. Sometime during the day or night, the doctor must work to treat. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Swara Srivastava. Happy Doctor's Day.
Doc-
When we
Doctor gives us
medicine
when we
for sick.
okay, and doctor are our
Helpers.
very good. So recite
The poem Doctor
डॉक्टर देखो डॉक्टर देखो भली प्रकार मेरी
गुड़िया है बीमार
ना कुछ खाती
ना कुछ पीती
हरदम बस वो
रोटी
दे दो उसको
ऐसी गुड़िया जिससे नाची मेरी गुड़िया
थैंक यू एवरीवन
everyone.
हैप्पी डॉक्टर्स डे
Happy Doctor's